Steam engine. A steam engine is a heat engine that uses the thermal energy of steam to produce mechanical work. Basic components. 1 boiler produces steam from water. 2 steam cylinder expands steam to generate force. 3 piston converts steam pressure into mechanical motion. 4 crankshaft converts reciprocating motion into rotary motion. 5 flywheel smooths out engine operation. 6 condenser condenses exhaust steam back into water. Working principle. 1 water heats up in boiler, producing steam. 2 steam enters steam cylinder, pushing piston. 3 piston moves, rotating crankshaft. 4 crankshaft converts motion into rotary energy. 5 exhaust steam condenses in condenser, returning to boiler.